itakuwa kwa YouTube.
Hebu sema tena.
Bade rote.
Hiyo maji imetoka huko kwa mlima. That's why ni baridi. Tupumzike dakika 5 kidogo. Ndio tuanze. Mpige kidogo. Leo nikupandishie.
Ndogo ndogo. Nataka kupiga picha hapo tu. Wa mtu anarudi chini. Afande wetu hapo. Wasalimie bwana. Uko fiti?
Niko fiti.
Gangari kabisa.
Sawa.
Atuendelee na safari.
Hiyo mlima.
Sasa unasikia una hema. Nataka ufanyanga.
Ndio hivyo.
Kwanga hivyo kama sija hema hata kadogo. Like that. Unasikia kukufa. Ndio unasema.
Kaboy. Huyo amezoea simu yake alikuwa Mount Kenya 5 days. Wacha nini na mimi? Memory.
Scout mwenyewe.
5 days Mount Kenya.
It's not easy.
It is not.
Ready? Kule tukitembea hapa.
Yeah, wasina.
Somebody had biscuits.
Thank you.
And a lot of water.
We've lost a lot of water.
Blood sugar for sure.
What?
Ati, mali ya kwenda choo. Wakush.
Hakuna na huko juu.
Kwa gate.
Namna kidogo tu.
No, to get I'll wait.
Namna kidogo.
Na hiyo ingine. Na hiyo ingine.
Na sasa what do we do? What can we do?
Sasa simu za susu.
This is
Yeah. Oui, hero. Hero. We are going back to the main gate and it's 2 hours walk. Is it 2 hours? 6 kilometers you walk for 2 hours. Yawa, Adir. But with some breaks, resting break of like 5 to 10 minutes. It's raining. Tunanyeshewa na tumetembea for like 10 minutes only from the waterfall. And we have 2 hours to walk. It's now 1 hour 50 minutes to walk. Tunataka kunyeshewa, wacha tu. So guys, it's raining heavily, I tell you. Oh my God! But we can't stop. We just have to continue. We were told to carry raincoats, but we assume we've been rained on. See the way I'm wet. We've been rained on. The journey back is not hard. It's not. I wish you could see where we come from. It's like a mlima, right? Ida. See, it's a mlima. And my shoes. It's still raining heavily, actually. So guys, so far we've walked for 1 hour. The rain has stopped and I'm the last person, not the last person but second last. Doreen is still behind, like 30 minutes behind. I don't know where she is, but Ida is there with the other team. It's not easy. Oh, there's some people are going for a drive. Yep. So far so good, guys. I'm the last person. Kama kawaida. This walk is not easy as you think. No, it's not. See the way I'm wet. But I enjoyed. Yeah, I can't complain. I enjoyed so much. Pale. Vile tulifika huko. Nilifurahi. Yetu iko chini. Bado. Yetu haiko. See, we were brought then ikarudi kwa main gate. No, si ndo tulifuata. Sio hiyo. Yetu iko kwa main gate. Kupita huko. I tell you. She was about to cry. Oh guys, finally we've reached where we were dropped, but now we will not be picked from here. We will walk to the main gate because we came in late, so they had to drop us here for us to hike. So they covered like 3 kilometers. Then we covered 6 kilometers. We covered 3 kilometers by ride. Then we covered 6 kilometers by hiking. So we'll do the 3 kilometers now. We will not be picked. So we will not be picked. So we'll do the 3 kilometers now. Do you know that? Atuchukuliwi. This is where we were dropped. Then we started our hike. Because we came late. Yeah, we walk now. We'll cover around 3-point-something kilometer to the main gate. Tunaenda tu hivyo. At least we've complained, so tunakuja kuchukuliwa.
And we are damn dirty.
We are so dirty. Hey. What? We are so dirty. So our vehicle is here. We will not cover the 3 kilometers. Yay! As much enjoyable, it has its limits. Yeah! Hey! We are back finally. Hey, finally.
You've not looked outside. You've not checked outside.
Let me check outside. Oh, that's for us. Finally.
That hike was just 1 in a million. Hey, Calvin instead of kutafutia mali. Starehe. Hatutaki kutoka tena.
Ali.
What's wrong, Mora?
We really enjoyed. It was fun. Though I've fallen down. But it's part of the fun.
Mimi kama ile maji mnaweza chemsha kidogo.
Uchemshia maji.
Hiyo maji chemshia kidogo. Itakuwa sawa. But no, it's been amazing journey. Imekuwa poa. Karibu nimeambia soja munizike tu huko. Nyinyi mrudi. Tukutane heaven. But nime make it. It was nice. I really enjoyed. Yeah.
Enjoy. You know, nilikuwa the last actually. Nilikuwa the one behind.
Na sote ilikuwa tuna yeye hapo na hapo.
Soja kuniacha.
Ameanguka akapiga sama sote.
But ilikuwa fun, ilikuwa my first time.
Karibu alie.
Karibu nilie actually. Niliona customer.
Hata bebeba huyu kwa mgongo. Hello. So guys, we've come to the end of our hike. It's been amazing and it's been so nice. We've toured with Calvin's safari. He has been a good host. Is it host? Yeah, host for the tour. We've met amazing people here and I've experienced a lot. I almost died there. So, but it's a nice experience. So, will I try again? Most probably, yes, I'll try again. Yeah, just follow Calvin's Tours on Facebook, Calvin Tour on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Calvin's Tour. Calvin, not Calvin's. Calvin Tour. So bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Leave a
bye.
comment and tell us how we did on our first hike activity. Si ndio?
Yes.
This was our first activity. Hebu mtuambie venye tumefanya, kama tumefanya vizuri ama tumechoma. But
Hatujachoma.
tumejaribu. Tumenyeshewa.
Kunyeshewa.
Na tukachange.
Actually, the kunyeshewa part was the sweetest.
Yeah, by the way, it was
The
so nice
kunyeshewa
because
part,
we
it
were
was
not
this-
sweating.
we were not
Then
sweating.
it was not that much
Cold
rain.
and it's not much rain. So,
Ulikuwa tu unasikia tu.
and you're like,
I'm looking forward to more.
yeah.
Simply immaculate.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.